If you're tired of constant spam messages on your Samsung phone, so here's how to block spam messages on your Samsung, and I'll give you a very valuable tip how to pen your important chats so you won't miss them. So first of all, open up your messages application. There we are. So now, in order to block anything, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and press settings. Then press block numbers and spam. Now choose block numbers. So here you shall enter the number manually, just like this, press plus, and it will be added to your block list. Either choose conversation to block one of the conversation, for example this one, or press contact and choose any number from your contacts and press done as well. And basically that's it. So here is a little tip. If you don't want to miss any important conversation, for example this one, let it be this one, you are to tap on it, hold your finger on it, and then press more and press pin to top. Now it's always gonna be in the top and you won't miss anything. You can add up many conversations, I think up to 8. So basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.